Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Literature and Raina Videos channel by Neha Sultana. In today's video, I'll be discussing short notes based on trends or movements which is prescribed in British literature of a second semester from Gulbarga University. Okay, let's jump to the video. Restoration comedy. So here. Restoration comedy refers to a style of English theatre that was popular during the Restoration period, which lasted from 1660 to about 1710. These comedies were characterized by their wit, humor, and often risky content. They emerged after the reopening of the English theatres following the puritanical rules of Oliver Cromwell. Key features of Restoration comedy include wit and wordplay. The comedies were known for their clever and sophisticated dialogue filled with puns, double entendres, and satirical humor. And social satire. Many restoration comedies satirized the manners, morals, and social conventions of the time. They often poked fun at the hypocrisy and superficiality of the upper classes. Romantic intrigues. Love and romantic entanglements were common plot and elements, often involving mistakes, identities, and complex love triangles. Stock characters. Restoration comedies frequently featured stock characters such as top that is not F, that is a T. Top, a foolish and overdressed man, and the witty independent women. Here are some notable works: The Country Wife, The Way of the World. I hope you all like this video. If you find this video really helpful, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.